Okay. Hey. Woo-hoo! Hey, they got good stuff to eat here at this tourist fair in Tanzania. And Arusha, not too far from my house. Look what I picked up. They got some special chicken. What's your name?
My name is Shayan Ibrahim.
Shian
Ibrahim,
Ibrahim.
yeah.
Ah, what is that? Is that a Tanzanian name?
No, actually I'm Indian. I'm from India.
Oh, you're
but
from India.
I'm born here. I'm like we have been since a kid over here. I'm grown up in Arusha.
In Arusha.
Yeah.
In Arusha. Well, I know the Indians have been in Tanzania for about over 200 years now.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so in Arusha, Tanzania. But he has some good food over here. Is this typical Indian or what do you say?
It's actually Indian spices mix, but it's located in Tanzania now. Like, it's Indian, but we have brought it here.
Oh, you brought it here.
We were working in barbecue since 1990.
Yes. Now, where are you located? What's the name of your restaurant?
It's actually Saheel's Barbecue.
Say it again.
Saheel's Barbecue.
Okay.
We're located in town, opposite CRDB Bank, Soko Kuu.
I didn't know that.
Karibu sana.
Oh, I have to go. We have to go there, but we're going to eat some of his barbecue today.
Okay.
Yes, we're going to taste some, sample
Karibu
some.
sana, karibu.
Yeah, good. Now, how long have you all been in business here?
Actually, we have been since 1990 till now. Yeah, my grandfather used to work in barbecue. Then my dad came in the business, and now we are here.
Oh, wow, that's so
it's
nice.
A family business.
It's a family business. Yep. It's a family affair. It sounds good to me. Thank you for letting us interview today.
Karibu sana.
And it's lovely. And I always ask the men because I have so many women that look at the videos.
Karibu
Are you
sana.
married?
No, I'm not married.
Oh, girls, we got one. He's not married.
Yeah, you can find for me one.
Yeah, I can find you one.
Yeah.
It won't be hard.
It won't be hard.
It won't be hard, not at all. Thank you for talking.
I love your choice, by the way.
We're gonna have some. We're gonna have some of this chicken. To ask you, how is the chicken made?
So we have different spices. We have tandoori. We have red powder chili. We have sekela. We have spices over here. As you can see, we have sweet and sour. We have tandoori. We have gajar. So.
And what do you usually serve with your chicken?
With chips or bread.
Bread with chips or bread.
Yep. We have
that kind of bread. Is that naan bread or?
Yeah, naan bread.
Naan bread.
Yeah.
All right. It sounds so delicious. You know, Indian, all these spices, their spices in cooking is so delicious. Some of it a little bit hot.
Kind of hot, no, but I won't do it for you.
Okay.
I'll make it special for you.
I like a little bit. I don't like it where it doesn't. I like a little bit of pepper.
Sure, no problem. Karibu.
You know, I like a little heat.
No problem.
Yeah.
So we have mishkakis as well.
What is mishkaki?
It's beef cubes. This is a dish from Tanzania only. It's not in India.
Okay.
So we have just brought it here. Yeah.
So mishkaki is beef cubes.
Yep.
And how do you season them? Do you use that? Because you know Tanzania doesn't season too much.
Yep.
So you season them differently?
No. It's actually the same.
It's actually the same.
But the tastes are different.
Oh, but the taste is different.
Yeah. We have some special sauce that we keep in it.
Oh,
it's a secret of Sahil's barbecue.
Okay, so we don't want to reveal anything.
Yeah, we don't want to reveal anything.
No, it sounds great.
We have shawarmas over there. It's an Arab dish.
A shawarma?
Yeah.
Oh, I like those. My grandson makes them all the time.
Yeah, that's good.
I have to try. Our grandson, I won't be able to walk after I leave out of here because they have shawarma, but I can take it with me, right?
Yeah, you have takeaway options as well.
Okay,
or you can dine it over here.
Okay, right. Sounds good. Grandson, I'm getting hungry. I'm getting really hungry.
You're at the best place now.
We're gonna sit down, but we're definitely gonna go to your restaurant. And you said it's CRD, across from the CRD Bank.
Yeah, Soko Kuu.
And Soko Kuu. Okay.
We are open since 6 to 12 at the midnight.
6 in the morning?
No, the evening.
So you don't open till 6 in the evening?
Yeah.
And to 12 midnight?
It's just dinner.
Is it Monday through Sunday, or what day you close?
We are open all for the full week. We don't close.
So you don't close.
Yep.
So they open at 6 in the evening for dinner, and they're open till 12 midnight. Fantastic. Do you have any delivery service?
Yeah, we do. You can see
So
our
if I'm
contact.
calling you from Matevas, I can get you to come.
For sure.
Okay,
We
great.
have some delivery numbers over here, so you can call and you get your service.
Okay, make sure you get those delivery numbers.
We
Now,
have
do
our
you
social
have a
media.
web page?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
We have some social medias as well in Facebook, Instagram.
Facebook, Instagram. Okay, you're all over.
We're all over.
All right. And so the restaurant, but you make sure, say that restaurant name again.
Saheel's Barbecue, located in Arusha, Tanzania,
Okay.
opposite CRDB Sokokuu.
Okay, now can you say that in Swahili?
Tupo Arusha, CRDB Sokokuu. Actually, my Kiswahili is a bit bad because I'm raised in an Indian family. So I'll try my best.
You try your best. Okay, I understand. Cause I've
We're
been
located. Sorry, actually.
Go on.
Tupo CRDB Sokokuu Arusha, Tanzania, opposite CRDB Sokokuu. Tunafungua kuanzia saa 12 hadi saa 6 usiku.
All right, sound good to me. Okay, let's eat. Hey.
If you try to block my way, you must go down. Cause just like a flowing ocean, I'm unstoppable. Person will swallow the right of an innocent man. Last, he go for midterm. Gaskia, the yoke is broken. We are finally victorious. As they sleep, we pray.
Hey, this is Janetta with Africa Speaks. Are you listening? This is a channel where you'll hear the raw truth concerning Africa. Check out our website, www.mamaafricaspeaks.org. You can also follow us on all our social media handles. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you listen to our radio station, Vaxit.com, on Saturdays. Hey, I'll be coming to you. Yeah.